Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to contact support on Bitget. Now let us begin. Well, at the bottom right, you can simply see this icon right here. That is like a headphone. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, you can look at all the top questions and also look at the self-service section. But right now, what we want to do is simply talk to help support. So what you're gonna do is simply scroll down, and at the bottom you can see a button like this that says online customer service. Click on it, and that is it. Once you do, this thing will open up. As you can see, it is opening up right now. Now as you can see, I have already initiated a conversation. Initially it's gonna ask you to select a language. It's gonna give you two options: continue with current language or change language. Well, it's up to you, but for me this current language is okay, so I'm simply gonna click on the first option. And guys, that is it. From here, simply select the problem that you are facing. Let's say this one right here. And guys, that is it. From here you can simply ask questions and do all the things that you need. That is it guys. That is how you contact Bitget Help Center. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.